Hi, APIE project community. Today I'm going to show you how you set up an email account from APIE project in Outlook. So first you come here, you look for Outlook, and then you open it. And once it's open, you come here, you go to File, Account Setting, and Manage Profile. Once Manage Profile open, you click on this one, Email Account. And then once email account open, you click on this one, New. So, and then you have to uncheck this one and you have to check this second option, manual setup. So, and once you go to the manual setup, you have to check the second option, pop-up or IMAP. And then once you have it, here you put your name. Let's say we can put APIE HR, and then we have to put our email. The email that we receive from Hertz it will always end with apieproject.com. Here you have to choose IMAP, and then here you have to choose like the incoming server, and this is going to be imap.ipage.com, and here is going to be smtp.ipage.com. Here is going to be the email, and then you also receive a password from us, so you have to put that password here. And once you are done with all these, then you can click next, and by clicking next it will test all your settings, and if everything is fine, then it's going to let you create the account. So we test this by clicking on the next. Once we click on the next, it will do testing. It will test the incoming server. It will send a test email, and it will tell you congratulations, all tests completely, and then you can close. And once you close it, it will let you know that you are all set, and then you finish, and then you will be able to see, if you go back, you will be able to see that email account on your Outlook. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for listening, and if you have any question during the setup, please email us to let us know. Thank you. Bye.